Clicking on the Tools menu gives you several options. We will go through the key options now. When you are in the Tools menu and you select either the My Home or My Profile options, you will be redirected to a web browser and logged into the self-service portal. This interface makes it possible to view and configure settings related to your calls and messages in the system, customize your user profile, and to update your Reach system password. We recommend that you select the My Profile option and take note of the following tasks in this interface. Upload a user photo that other users in your organization will be able to view by clicking on the Change Photo link. Then click on the Choose File button. Locate and open the photo and click on the Save Photo button. You can use this section to change the password that is used to log in across your Reach applications. Here you enter your previous password, then your new password, then retype your new password and click on the Change Password button. Click on the Close button in the web browser to close My Profile.